And now we're going to move on to Rico Suave for an update on the weather. Rico?
Thank you, Christina. We are noticing a pretty strong cold front moving into a lot of the churches, not only across the country, but across the world. Things are steadily cooling off in the churches because the individuals in those churches are cooling off. We have experienced a few isolated heat waves here and there in places all across the world, but they are very few and far between.
Rico, how many warm spots do you think are left?
According to our recent search, Mark, it appears there are about 700 hotspots around the world at this time. Everywhere else seems to be cooling rapidly. The odd thing about it is that the cooling areas are not noticing the change in temps.
I'm not sure I follow you.
In other words, Christina, they are dropping in temperatures, but still going to church, still going through all the motions as if they were still warm. They appear to be oblivious to their condition.
Rico, does the Prince of the Power of the Air Weather Service have any explanation as to this cooling trend?
Mark, as a matter of fact, they do. The cooling trend in the churches is, as I said before, because of the cooling trend in the individuals.
But what is the reason for the cooling trend in the individuals?
Well, actually, it's due to pretty much everything you've already covered previously in this newscast. The separation between believers, the people putting the world before Christ, all the distractions and whatnot, all those things are contributors to the cooling trend we are seeing here.
That makes sense. Well, thank you, Rico, for the informative report.